Tharoor's emergency critique and survey stir storm within Kerala Congress. Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala senior Congress leader Shashi Tharoor's recent article criticizing Indira Gandhi and the emergency has sparked sharp disapproval from the Kerala Pradesh Congress Committee, KPCC. Coinciding with the 50th anniversary of the emergency, the timing of the article has raised suspicions among party insiders, with calls for the High Command to take immediate action against the Thiruvananthapuram MP. Many KPCC leaders view the article as a calculated move to align with the Bharatiya Janata Party's (BJP) broader narrative, especially as the ruling party intensifies its criticism of the Congress over its emergency legacy. The discontent has also fueled speculation about Tharoor's intent, with some leaders hinting that the MP may be charting his exit from the party. Adding fuel to the controversy is a recent survey shared by Tharoor himself, which suggests he holds significant support for the Chief Minister's post within the United Democratic Front, UDF. This has sent ripples through Kerala's political sphere, with Tharoor reaffirming his own belief in being the most qualified for the role. However, the survey's credibility is now under scrutiny. Some KPCC members claim the data was manipulated and possibly originated from BJP circles to destabilize internal unity. The survey doesn't just affect the Congress. It also indicates growing public support within the CPI-M for former Health Minister Shailja Teacher over the incumbent Chief Minister, Pinarayi Vijayan, adding complexity to an already tense political climate in the state. Senior Congress leaders, including Ramesh Chennithala, have voiced concern that Tharoor may be playing into the BJP's hands with an eye on future political ambitions. The overlapping controversies surrounding the article and the survey have raised questions about Tharoor's long-term intentions, with some leaders suggesting he must clarify where his loyalties truly lie.